The versatile PSW002 is pre-programmed with 3 strapping sequences as follows. Program A starts strapping at the base of the pallet, rises to the top, then continues to strap down to the base again before the film is automatically cut from the roll. This program provides optimum load stability. Program B starts strapping at the base and rises to the top, where the film is automatically cut from the roll. The next wrapping cycle will start at the top and end at the base. This program considerably increases productivity when wrapping similar height pallets. Program C wraps from the base to the top. Once the film has been cut, the carriage returns to the base position before the next cycle commences. This program is suited to faster wrapping of random height pallets. The top wrap count function allows for up to 9 layers of film to be applied to the top of the pallet. The base wrap count function allows for up to 9 layers to be applied to the base. The middle wrap count function allows for additional layers to be applied at any point between the top and the base of the pallet. The PSW002 also includes a feature for the insertion of a protective film layer between the top wrapping layers when using Program A. When activated, the film carriage will reach the top of the pallet and reverse 200 mm down and pause. The operator can then drape the top cover over the pallet and press Start to continue wrapping. The carriage returns to the top, trapping the top cover between the layers of stretch film before completing the cycle. Once the wrapping sequence has been set up, the lock button must be pressed to save all settings. The wrapper will continue to follow the programmed sequence even after the power supply has been interrupted or the wrapper switched off. If the lock button is not pressed, the wrapper will revert to the last saved settings. The turntable rotation can be operated independently by pressing the turntable button, then the start button. To stop rotation, press the turntable button again. The film carriage button independently controls the movement of the carriage. Pressing this button will enable the operator to switch between up and down movement, indicated by the 2 signal lights either side of the button. Set the button for the direction of travel, then press Start to activate. The film carriage button can also be used to pause the carriage at any point, simply by pressing it. The speed of the film carriage's ascent and descent can also be controlled by turning the carriage speed adjustment clockwise to increase the speed and vice versa. However, if there's no specific need to increase or decrease the speed, this should be set at the 2 o'clock position. Similarly, the turntable rotation speed can be controlled by turning the turntable speed adjustment clockwise to increase the speed and vice versa. With no particular requirement, the speed should be set at maximum, which equates to 12 rotations per minute. Film tension adjustment on the PSW002 is electronically controlled, with a clockwise turn increasing the tension and vice versa. By detecting and correcting variations in the film unwinding rate, the PSW002 soft wrapping feature avoids excessive tension on pallet corners. A key feature of the PSW002 is that it pre-stretches the film by 3.3 or 4 times its original length before applying it to the pallet. This considerably reduces film usage. To adjust the pre-stretch, disconnect the machine from the power supply and remove the cover from the adjuster on top of the film carriage. Press the safety lock on the side of the handle and raise the handle to increase the percentage of pre-stretch to 300%. Lowering the handle will decrease the pre-stretch to 230%. Release the safety lock and ensure that the stripe is aligned as shown on the decal. Replace the cover before reconnecting to the power supply.